Hello guys, let's check out the question we have here. So the question says, triangle DEF has vertices of D, -3 and 5, E, 2 and 3, and F, 6 and 7. And the question is asking us to calculate the triangle of DEF. And what that simply means is that we need the angle where E is. So we have the triangle right here. The easiest way to find the angle where E is to find the two lines that the angle is between, which is here ED and EF. So let's start with ED equals, and that what simply means is that we're gonna make D minus E. So how do we do that? So we have the D coordinates, which is -3 and 5. And we drop the negative sign. And then we have E, which is 2 and 3. And that will simply give us coordinates of -3 minus 2, which is -5, comma, 5 minus 3, which is 2. Perfect. Next, we do the same thing for EF. So we said that is F minus E, and F coordinates is simply 6 and 7, and we drop the negative sign. And then E we have being 2 and 3 again. So 6 minus 2 is 4, and 7 minus 3 is 4 as well. And now all we do is to find the cosine angle between the dot product between ED and EF over the magnitudes of them. Now how we find the dot point is that we multiply the x values from ED and EF. And then we add that to the y values from ED times EF. And then that's divided by the magnitudes. And how we find the magnitudes is that we take the square root. For each line, we do x squared plus y squared. So we do square root of -5 squared plus 2 squared. And then we do the same thing for EF. So we have the square root first, and then we do 4 squared plus 4 squared. Okay, I'll write these down there real quick. And then all we do next is we find the angle, which is the cosine of -12 we got over the square root of 928. And how you do that on the calculator, you press shift, then cosine, and then you plug in the number. And then the angle I got here is 113.2 degrees.